Hello, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to balance this chemical equation. In balancing, the first thing we're going to do is write out all the elements that you have on the left-hand side and also on the right-hand side. So whatever you have on the left, that's what you will have on the right anyway. So starting with the left, we have carbon, we have hydrogen, and we have oxygen, okay? So that same element is what you have on the left. Now we're going to start with carbon. There's 3 carbons here. Now over here, you have only 1. Immediately make this 3 by placing 3 in front of this carbon dioxide. So once you put 3 there, that makes that carbon 3. Okay? We move on to the next element, which is hydrogen. There's 8 hydrogens here. Then on the right-hand side, you have 2 hydrogens. Now you want to put a number in front that multiplies the 2 to give you 8, and that will be 4. So 4 times 2, that makes that 8. We move on to this oxygen. Now oxygen right here on the left is 2. On the right-hand side, you see this number here affects the oxygen on this side. When the number is in front of the molecule, it affects all the elements in that molecule. So I'm going to be multiplying the original quantity of oxygen by 3, and that makes it 6 on this side. Now on the other molecule here, we have 4 in front times 1 of oxygen, that's 4. So 6 over here plus the 4 over here gives us 10 oxygens, okay? So that means we have 10 on the right-hand side. Now to balance this and make it 10, I will simply put a 5 in front of the oxygen. So 5 times 2, that makes this 10. Now, whenever you're done balancing, it's always good to quickly check that all the elements are balanced, even though you can see it here, just to be sure, okay? So go back, this is 3, this is 3, so that's balanced. This is 8, 4 times 2, that's 8, so this is balanced. 5 times 2, 10. 3 times 2, 6, plus the 4 on this side, 10, so this is balanced. And that's how you balance this chemical equation. Remember, when balancing chemical equation, do not change anything on the subscripts. So these numbers here, you are not supposed to change them or do anything to them, okay? So you only add numbers to the front of the molecules. You can change, you can remove, you can do whatever you want on this side of the molecule. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching and do have a wonderful day.